How to connect Google Maps to Kia Seltos. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to seamlessly connect Google Maps to your Kia Seltos using Android Auto. Whether you're planning a road trip or just navigating daily commutes, this guide will ensure you have real-time directions right on your car's display. Step 1. Prepare your smartphone. Ensure your Android device is running Android 6.0 or higher. Then, download and install the Android Auto app from the Google Play Store if it's not already installed. Step 2. Connect your phone to the car. Use a high-quality USB cable to connect your smartphone to the USB port in your Kia Seltos. Then, upon connection, your phone may prompt you to grant permissions, accept all necessary prompts. Step 3. Enable Android Auto on the infotainment system. On your Kia's infotainment screen, navigate it to Home, All Menus, Setup, Device Connections, and Android Auto, and then accept any terms and conditions that appear on the screen. Step 4. Launch Google Maps. Once Android Auto is active, you will see its interface on the infotainment screen. Tap on Google Maps icon to launch the app. You can now input your destination using the touch screen or voice commands. Optional. Enable full screen mode. If Google Maps appears in split screen mode, tap the Maps icon to full screen view. Full screen functionality may vary depending on your vehicle's software version and screen resolution. And that's it. You successfully connected Google Maps to your Kia Seltos using Android Auto. Now, enjoy hands-free navigation and real-time traffic updates directly from your car's display. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Drive safely and see you in the next video.